welcome back to my channel. When I was in college, we went to late night at Stanford, and one of our favorite things to eat was quesadillas. I hope you enjoy this quick and easy tutorial for cheese quesadillas you can make in your dorm room. For this tutorial, I'm using flour tortillas, corn, black beans, and shredded cheese. So to start off, I'm going to mix the shredded cheese with the black beans and the corn. I'm now going to spray one side of a flour tortilla with olive oil cooking spray. Once you've flipped over the flour tortilla, you want to just cover half with the cheese and the toppings that you're using. Now you just have to fold over your flour tortilla, press it down, and place it in the toaster oven. I've preheated the toaster oven to 425 degrees. I'm going to cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted and the quesadilla is golden brown. And then you can just go ahead and